Hey folks, struggling with that wireless Anker keyboard of yours? If it's acting up with annoying misinputs, you've landed in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a comprehensive guide on how to fix wireless Anker keyboard misinput issues so you can get back to typing blissfully. Step 1. Check the connection. First things first, we need to make sure the connection between your Anker keyboard and device is rock solid. Wireless keyboards rely heavily on Bluetooth connectivity, and sometimes a simple interference can cause misinput. Action plan. Toggle the Bluetooth connection off and then on, both on your computer and keyboard. Move the keyboard closer to your device to avoid any signal interference. Remove any objects between the keyboard and the device that might block the Bluetooth signal. Step 2. Replace the batteries. A common culprit of misinputs and connection issues is low battery power. As the battery power declines, your keyboard might send incorrect signals or miss keystrokes entirely. Action plan. Open the battery compartment of your Anker keyboard. Replace the old batteries with fresh, high-quality alkaline batteries. Turn on the keyboard and test it out to see if the problem persists. Step 3. Update your drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers can also lead to misinputs or erratic behavior from your wireless keyboard. Ensuring you have the latest drivers installed can resolve these issues. Action plan. Navigate to the device manager on your computer. Locate your keyboard under the Keyboard section. Right-click and select Update Driver. Follow the on-screen instructions to update your driver. Step 4. Reset the keyboard. If the above steps don't resolve the issue, consider performing a factory reset on your Anker keyboard. This can help clear any pesky software bugs causing the misinputs. Action plan. Turn off your Anker keyboard. Press and hold the Escape key. While holding the Escape key, turn the keyboard back on. Release the Escape key after a few seconds. Step 5. Remove potential sources of interference. Sometimes wireless devices and other electronics can interfere with the Bluetooth connection, particularly Wi-Fi routers or other Bluetooth devices. Action plan. Turn off nearby devices that might be causing interference. Reposition your computer and keyboard to a location with less electronic congestion. Fixing wireless Anker keyboard misinput issues can be as simple as checking a connection or as comprehensive as updating drivers and resetting the keyboard entirely. Always start with the basics like checking connections and battery power. If issues persist, a driver update or quick reset can often do the trick. Remember, ensuring your workspace is free from interference can further enhance performance. With these steps, your Anker keyboard should be back to delivering smooth, accurate typing in no time. Happy typing, and may your keystrokes be ever precise.